This faceless TikTok page has made $5,000 in the last 30 days. They managed to discover a new niche that has a lot of potential and isn't saturated yet. They have managed to rake in over 2 million likes and over 314,000 followers. All they do is post quiz videos that are crazy easy to make. Let's watch some of their videos so you can get a glimpse of what their videos are all about.
What is the official language of the United States? Answer B, English. Who is the current president of the United States?
Their videos are racking up thousands of views, with some even surpassing 1 million, which is incredible considering the simplicity of the content. A 10-year-old could create it. As you know, more views translate to more money. I used the TikTok revenue calculator to estimate their earnings per video. It turns out they're making $500 per video, which is pretty remarkable. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire video creation process and show you how to quickly produce monetizable shorts for your TikTok or YouTube Shorts accounts. The tool we'll use to efficiently create quiz niche videos is Autostud. This is the same tool the TikTok page we just viewed utilized to generate their content. Autostud offers the same built-in template as the video we saw, and their free tier is quite generous. So, simply visit their website and sign up using your Google account. You should see this dashboard once you're logged in. From there, you can scroll down to explore all the templates Autostud provides. Spend some time experimenting with the controls to get comfortable. The tool is straightforward with a very user-friendly structure that's easy to grasp. Here, you'll find a variety of templates and genres to pick from. Let's go with this template and select general knowledge as our genre, of course. You can choose any genre you like since Autostud offers a broad selection. It's highly customizable, so you can even create an entire quiz from the ground up. You can also adjust the video's aspect ratio to make it suitable for both short-form and long-form content. Once you've selected your template and genre, click on Launch Creation, and that will take us to this dashboard. This is where you can make all the customizations. You have the ability to change fonts, voices, background images, and questions, or even create an entirely new quiz from scratch. The default options and creations that the tool generates are already impressive, so extensive customization isn't always necessary. It really comes down to your personal preference. If you want to tweak anything, you absolutely can. These are the elements you can customize. The tool offers creators a high level of control over the final product, making it a solid investment. Plus, you gain access to an image generator, Elevenlabs voiceover, and a variety of other amazing features. The link to the tool is in the description, so just sign up and start generating quiz videos in less than 2 minutes. If everything has been made to your taste, just head over here and hit export video. Be sure to hit the like button to help the algorithm share this video with more people. Also, consider subscribing so you'll be notified whenever I release new free courses and tutorials. After a few minutes, our video has been processed and rendered, and now the final results.
How many continents does the Earth have? Answer is C, 7. What is the largest continent on Earth? Answer is C, Asia. Which continent is both a continent and a country? Answer is C, Australia. What is the smallest continent on Earth? Answer is C, Australia.
In less than 5 minutes, we created a video that surpassed the one we found on that TikTok page, all thanks to Autostud. If you're busy due to schoolwork or a 9-to-5 job, this tool could be your ideal solution, allowing you to generate up to 10 videos in under an hour with just a single click. Tools like this open doors and create opportunities for those interested in YouTube or TikTok automation, but lacking the time or editing skills. Autostud even offers a 1-video trial before you commit to a subscription, so click the link in the description and give Autostud a try.